Hi, in this video, you're going to learn about the polymerization process. So as I mentioned in the previous video, there are two types of polymerization process, which is condensation and addition. So both of these polymerization usually to produce synthetic polymers. Okay, now synthetic polymers, like I mentioned before, it is a polymers that prepared in industry or human-made. Okay, and they're going to take one monomers and they undergoes polymerization process to produce the synthetic polymers. Now, to produce synthetic polymers, there are two types of polymerization, which is addition polymerization and condensation polymerization. Now, let's take a look at each of it. Okay, so for addition polymerization, usually it involves the unsaturated monomers, or in other words, those with multiple bonds, okay, such as alkene. So they are not going to eliminate any molecules in the monomers. Okay, all the atoms will stay. However, there might be some breakup in the double bond or in the triple bond. Okay, so yeah, this one always involve those with double bond. Okay, so addition polymerization will produce polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polyester, and Teflon. Okay, so this is addition polymerization. For condensation polymerization, it is a process that combines the monomer, involves eliminations of small molecule. Okay, not necessarily water. It could be also methanol. It could be eliminations of hydrogen chloride, okay, to form the polymer. So usually for condensation polymerization, the monomers must have at least two identical or different functional group. Okay, selalunya condensation they don't have the double bond, but they have two different functional group or same. Okay, must be two functional groups. So for condensation polymerization, usually we use it to produce nylon 66, nylon 6, Kevlar, Dacron, and Terylene. Now, let's take a look at how addition polymerizations happen. Okay, so for addition polymerization, like I mentioned before, it must have double bond. Okay, it must have double bond within the monomers, and to initiate the addition polymerization, we need to have peroxide. Okay, so if you refer to your notes, you might wonder why there's apa benda ni? Half arrow headed here. Yeah, so that one means when the process of the polymerization begin, okay, one of, okay, like the, how to say, wait, let me give, okay, now, so those electron that I colored, okay, the red will go to the left side and the other one will be shared to the other side to make bond with the other monomers. Okay, so let me show you in forms of illustration. Now we have this. Okay, this is our monomer, and we are going to have another monomers, right? Okay, we're going to have another monomers. They have the same monomers. Okay, so we have another monomers here. Now let's say, let's prepare three monomers, for example. Okay, so we have these three monomers, and we want to polymerize them. Okay, so if we just add bond here, if we just add bond here, so what will happen? The C is actually having exit electrons around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we know carbon can only have 8 electrons. So this is totally wrong. Okay, this is totally wrong. And that is why it's not, we are for the monomers to polymerize and to bond with another monomers, we cannot simply just add what we call this link bond here. Okay, no. So what is actually happen? Okay. Now, so what is actually happen? Okay, the bond, the electron will go here and another electron will go here. So the second, okay, this one, the second one also, the one of the bond will break up as well as this one break up and break up. So when they break up, they are going to form C H H. So this one left this C H H. Okay, so this one gives one electron, right, to this side. Now the other monomers, okay, which is giving out this electron, so it gives one electron here, so they're going to form this one. Okay, so same thing goes to these two. Okay, same thing goes to these two, okay, where the double bond will break and they're going to form that, and they're going to form bond here. Okay, and this one. So as you can see, they have, this is the polymer. Okay, this is the polymer. So what is the repeating unit? Okay, the repeating unit will be this. Okay, so this will be the repeating unit. That's why it explains why the double bond break. Okay, so usually students will get confused with that. They tend to just like, let's make the bond here. No, it's a no. Okay, the double bond have to be break up first for them to combine with other monomers to produce polymer. So for this polyethene, okay, from ethene, so how are we going to fill all the questions here? So the monomer is this. Okay, always remember, ya, monomer is bahan sebelum berlaku polymerization. Sebelum, so it's like a reactant. So repeating unit, okay, repeating unit is apa ni? After reagent tadi telah dipolymerizekan dan dia sentiasa berulang. So the repeating unit is this. Okay, I usually like to draw it like this, yeah. So this is the repeating unit. And then sometimes student ask me, Madam, ini apa? That means it's going to bond with another monomer. So this is the repeating unit. It will repeat and repeat. So since it will repeat and repeat the same one, so just copy paste the polymer, but don't forget to add. And so there you go. Okay, so let's take a look at others. Now let's take a look at formations of polyvinyl chloride. Okay, so usually I would like to draw the monomer first. Madam memang suka buka monomer macam ni, ha? H, Cl. I make them straight when it comes to polymer. Okay, like this. Okay, so inilah monomernya before the reaction, before the polymerization. So the repeating unit will be C. I think I have a good idea to explain to you all. So this one, copy. So actually you just can paste them here or rewrite again. Okay, but this one dah pecah. So like this, ching and ching. So this is your repeating unit. So what is your polymer. Okay, so this will be your polymer. Again, don't forget to put N, which means the repeating unit is numerous, is banyak sangat, so it's going to form polymer. Okay, how about this one, polyester? Okay, or maybe you can try first. You can pause the video and then you can take a look at it. Okay. Okay, this one. Again, you can just copy back everything. Pass, but remember, repeating unit is the product after the polymerization, so there will be no double bond. Okay, so this will be the repeating unit, and the polymer will be this. But don't forget to put don't forget to put N. Okay. And how about this Teflon? Can you guys do it? Okay, let's see. Okay, ini memang madam punya favorite lah. Bagi tegak everything. Boleh ke madam? Boleh, no problem. So you just take everything, copy, and the repeating unit will be just the same, except there will be no double bond. Dah pecah after process, right? After addition process, so pecah. So this will be your repeating unit, and this will be the polymer. Okay, there you go. This one. Okay.